What's up, YouTube? Did I say that right? Okay, let's start again. What's up, YouTube? It's me one more time today. Anyway, I'm going to do gotta do me a drink review. It's called this stuff here. It's called Imperial Indian Pale Ale. Imperial Pale Ale. From the Rhinegeist Brewery. Remember that. I'm gonna test this stuff out. Now, I've had different pale ales over the years. I've had stouts. I prefer a Russian Imperial Stout. Indian Pale Ale. No, it's not too bad. I like the Voodoo kind. What's that called? Voodoo Ranger, yeah. Voodoo Ranger. That's my favorite IPA so far. I bought some Brass Knuckle Beer IPA a long time ago. That was my first bad experience with an IPA. Okay. Sometimes they have really fruity flavors. Sometimes they have real hoppy flavors, or it just tastes like cologne and flowers. But all in all, it's all about what your taste buds tell you. Okay. Anyway, and guess what we have with us today? Other than my pale ale, I have my beautiful honey. Anyway, okay, hang on a second. Alright. This is what you got. He comes in. I don't know how many flavors they got. I just happened to go in the grocery store today and I seen it. I'm like, I've got to try this beer out. Alright. Let me try this stuff out. Are you ready for the big reveal? Hang on. It's got a citrus smell to it. Really strong. You take it and got a real citrus. Let's see what it tastes. Kind of citrusy. Oh yeah. That'll knock your dick in the dirt. Anyway. I'm sorry, no one's supposed to say that. Gotta get demonetized for saying that. But anyway, okay, guys. That's good. I mean, this is some good stuff here. It also has like, oh, it's got that. It gives you that warm, fuzzy feeling aftertaste. I don't know how to explain that, but for some reason it gives you that after effect. It's got, I can't read. What does that say? How many A.B.V is that in the bottom there?
8.5.
8.5% alcohol. Yeah, it knocks up in the dirt. All right. I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, wait, hang on. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and smack that notification bell for all of my wonderful adventures with my beautiful honey. He's always got my back, no matter what. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.